Hello, dear students. Sorry for the interruption of video. We are discussing this part 3 particular structure of atom, and we are here on the canal rays, and we are discussing the properties of the canal rays, that they move from anode to cathode. Canal rays are positively charged, and positive charge on the anode ray particle. This is the important property because this is the basic thing which it distinguishes it from the canal rays. That positive charge on the anode rays particle depends on the gas used in the discharge tube, particularly discharge tube. Okay, like in case of hydrogen gas, you will get smallest positive charge, that is H positive ion. Okay, or you can say proton. So this experiment, whole thing is carried out by the Goldstein, and he named that positive charged particle as proton. Okay, so meanwhile the same things goes on, and in 1932, this is done in 1919. In 1932, Chadwick gives you another thing that is termed as neutron. No more particle, neutron particle, uncharged particle present in atom. So far, three things. First one is the electron, second one is the proton, third thing is the neutron. Okay, who discovered them? First thing, electron, we will say Faraday, proton, Goldstein, neutron, Chadwick. Next thing, charge on electron is 1.6, negative 1.6022 into 10 raised to power minus 19 coulomb. The same one but positive, 6022 into 10 raised to power minus 19 coulomb, but it is positive, proton, zero charge. Okay, now next thing, about mass of particle. So mass of the electron is negligible almost. That is comes out your 9.1 into 10 raised to power minus 31 kg. As compared to proton and neutron, electron mass is negligible. To those, if you go for, it will comes out 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 28 kilogram, which is much greater than as compared to those. And as same for the neutron. Okay, so these are the three basic fundamental particle which is smaller than the atom. Okay. So that's why these are the three basic particles we discussed, that is smaller than the atom, or atom is made up of. However, before discovering these, first model is given by Thomson after his Castro discharge tube experiment in 1898. But at that time, you know, there is no other particles known. That's why its model as well do not involve anything proton, neutron, only electron. We will study about the Thomson model tomorrow, the first thing. But so far today, you must know how and who discovered the microatomic particles, or you can say subatomic particles, and their properties, how they discussed. Okay, so today your homework will be read the chapter up to the topic did, and next thing is sort out 10 Q's and answer in rough notebook. Okay, thank you.